Hey guys, I'm Marty and this is my workshop. Sorry about the mess right now, but I'm kind of in between jobs. Just thought I'd take a little bit of time just to explain who I am and what I do. So basically, I'm a level 3 qualified mechanic. Work on everything from small tools, generators, stuff like that, right the way up to tracked vehicles. I've worked on tanks and large plant equipment, but mainly the stuff in the middle, the vans, the trucks, the cars, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, looking forward to getting some videos out there, guys, for you to see what's going on in my workshop and to see what I get up to. But yeah, so yeah, hit the subscribe button, guys. Really look forward to seeing any of your comments or any feedback you can give me. And yeah, so just to put out there as well, I know I'm wearing a Reynolds top. That doesn't mean anything that I like working on Reynolds. It's actually quite ironic that, because I'm quite the opposite, I quite kind of avoid Reynolds. And anybody who's done a pollen filter on a Megane will understand where I'm coming from there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy my content. Any feedback you have, please drop it in the comments, and yeah, hit that subscribe button.